Hey guys, my name is Jesper Nissen, and in this video I'm going to show you how to build 7 backlinks for local SEO. And you stick around to the end, then I'm going to show you how to boost these links. If you like this video, please comment with easy backlinks for SEO. It helps me and the algorithm. So let's get started. So the links I'm going to show you are effective if you're doing local SEO or if you are a local business owner, then you want to do this. You start by logging in with the Gmail account that you are using to manage your GPP account, and then you go to Google and you search for your business name. In my case, I manage a GPP profile with my own name, Jesper Nissen, and here it is. And what you do is you click on this button here called Edit Profile, because we used to have a management, a backend system to manage our GPP profiles, but Google decided that that was not a good idea, so they moved it to the front end of Google. So this is how you edit your Google business profile now. So anyway, you click the Edit button, and then you simply scroll down like this, scroll down, and then you come down to this button called Social Profiles. And when you click on this guy here, so you can see that I have my 5 social media profiles: my YouTube, my Facebook, my LinkedIn, my Pinterest, and my Twitter account. And if I click this button here at Social Profile, I have a drop-down button here, so I have then Instagram and TikTok. So what this means is that Google is recommending me and is recommending you to build these 7 social media profiles. So it's YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. So that's what Google recommends to you. And the best thing of it all is that most of these profiles actually allow you to insert a link back to your profile. And even though, and especially for Twitter, where you can just post and post and post, and even though that these links are either no follow or they have some sort of redirect, in the case of Twitter anyway, it is still backlinks, and they do still count in the algorithm. And we know that from the Google leaks, and we just know from testing that Google places a very, very large, they put a big emphasis and weight on these social media profiles. So let me just click save here. So actually I want to show you something that is especially true for LinkedIn. So LinkedIn, so this points back to my personal profile, Jesper Nissen here. So this is my personal profile. So what is especially interesting with LinkedIn is that you can make posts and they can index. And these posts you can actually place dofollow backlinks in them. And I've done that for my own website. So let's see here. If I search for parasite SEO with YouTube and Reddit. So there, this is my video, but yes, so that's my post on LinkedIn. So if I click on this guy here, so I posted this summer, and so this link is actually a dofollow link that goes back to my website. And this page has a if you can't see this drop down, I'm using Google, so you can see that this page has a page authority of 55. So it's an extremely powerful dofollow link, and it's free, and there's nothing that you need to do in order to create these pages. You do need some followers in order to get them to index. I have a lot of followers, so for me it's not a problem. And if you're managing a real business, you do have followers, or you should get followers. Anyway, so let's so that was step number 1 for you. You need to build these 7 links. So that's step number 1. Step number 2 is when you post on these profiles, be sure to include backlinks to whatever it is that you want to boost. And let me explain. So let's say in the case of my Facebook, and there is a special reason that you want to include backlinks. So let's say that I have this Facebook profile for myself. I'm calling it jespernissenseo. And let's say that I want to boost my local visibility. So what I want to do is I would actually go to my maps here. I would click this share button here, and I would copy this guy here. Copy. Then the link is now copied. I would go over here, and then I would type like this: check out my profile on Google Maps where you can see details about my offerings. And then a link to the Google Maps profile. I'll click next, and it's public and publish. So now that this post is published, so what I can do now is I can then actually click on these three dots here, and remember or notice that I'm logged in actually I'm logged in Facebook as my own profile. So I can click on these three dots, and then I can click embed. It says inlier, but that's Danish. It means embed. So I can click copy this code, copy. And what I have now, and let me open Notepad so you can see. So what I have now is actually an embed code. So so you can see here it says facebook.com, plugins, post, and so on, a lot of code. So let's say I want to boost myself for local link building. Local link building. What I would do is I would be sure to add my keyword that I want to boost inside of this iframe like this. So this will kind of be like the anchor text of this iframe. And what I can then do is I can go over to Yax, or it could be Yax, or it could be a Fiverr gig or legit gig or wherever that you. I mean, if you know a way of sending a lot of embeds and iframes out, I know that there are Fiverr gigs to actually purchase these iframe gigs. But of course, I'm using Yax because that's my platform. So I'm inside of this diagram builder. So let's say that I select Amazon, Azure, Google Cloud, Wasabi, Linode. I'm building out a diagram here. 5, like this. So now I have a total of 780 pages. So that's, oops, let's just delete that. So I'm using these 5 clouds, Amazon, Azure, Google Cloud, Wasabi, and Linode, to build out a total network of 780 cloud pages. And if I scroll down, you can see how they're interlinked. So that's a very, very big cloud stack diagram that I have here. And what I would then do is I'll go down to special content. And I would go in here and I would then click on source and paste my my iframe. I'll just local link building. So like that. So what this would actually do is that it would then, once I publish this cloud stack, it would then distribute this iframe embed with the local link building keyword inside of the iframe as the anchor text link. It would then distribute this iframe out over a total of 780 cloud pages. And this way of doing link building is especially powerful if you're doing local SEO. So now I embedded this guy here, so that's the Facebook post. But of course I can also embed my this here. I can click share, integrate, copy, and go back, and I can go down here and click source and just paste, and again local link building, and in this case it's not the Facebook post, it's the Google Business Profile Maps itself that I'm embedding. Again, this is going to be distributed across 780 cloud pages. So I'm doing this, and I'm also doing this. I'm going to Fiverr. So you can search for either iframe or embeds or something like that, and then purchase a gig, and then submit your iframe, and then they do it for you. You can see here there's a gig here. I will set up embedded iframes for website, WordPress, and AMP. So so that was it for today's video. It was a little Christmas special. So now it's the 19th of December here in Denmark, and I think that this will be my final video before Christmas. So I wish all of you a very Merry Christmas, and those are the words from me today. Take care, guys. I hope you enjoyed it.